16 measure po. Gawin natin starting with the right foot. And 1 and 2 side by side. Can you find a partner? 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Stop. That's forward. 16. Stop. That's forward. And then place a close right. Okay. Go back to figure 1 ng kamay. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Again. And 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, double, heel. Okay. Turn right, 3, and 4. Can we do that again? Slowly. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4, double. 1 and 2, turning right and 4. Stop. Facing back. Repeat the same. Single, heel, double heel. And 1, 2, 3, 4, double heel, and turning right. Okay? Figure 1 and 2. Kaya natin mag-music? 2. Kaya natin mag-music?
Mamaya na.
5, 6, andar, 7, 8, and 1 and 2, turn, 3 and 4, harap, 5 and balik, and 7, 8 pa. Okay? Kuha po? Apat na po yun. Opo. Okay po. Okay? Isa pa po? Okay, once more. Ready? And 1, 2 in place. 3 and 4 second. 5, 6 and 7 advance. And third and 2 and 3 face palm. 5 and 6 advance. 7 going home. Nakauwi na po ba? Dapat nakauwi kayo. See? Okay. Now, figure 4.
Figure 4.
Right on top of the left. Okay, so it's our 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Flip, flip, rock, flip. Ganito Kasi merong ganito nagpe-flip. Pagka-flip po, binababa ka agad. Drag first and flip. What is the dragging motion? Drag, flip. Drag, hatak, flip. Hatak, flip. Hatak, flip. Hatak, flip. Hatak, flip. Hatak, flip. Okay? Okay. Put some countings. 1 to 1 to F. 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, 2, 7, 2, 8, 2. Footwork. It's actually a walking steps, but when you face your partner and you turn clockwise, ang magiging direction nyo ay parang nagpo-cross step. Kasi you have to maintain the facing the body with your partner. So pag umikot kami, kunwari, nagiging cross step kung titingnan, but it's actually a walking step. Okay, subukan po natin ha. Lalakad lang po na nakaharap ang katawan sa partner. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Can you follow? Okay, let's do the arm movements. Let me check kung ano yung versions na nandito. Sa likod ng lalaki, no? Magkasinuran sila. Ganito po kasi. Yung nakalagay po kasi niya dito, sabi niya, boy in place. Okay. Oo. Hindi po. Umikot po siya. Tama po. Ganito po ah. Okay, tinuro po, ito ang importante. Yung kamay, magbubuhol-buhol po to. Okay, na-high blood po yung co-teacher namin isa dito dahil lang dito. Bukas. Iwalay. Ihaya. Open. 1. Patong, papang, ganyan yung ituro ng mabagal. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1. Let's try the combination. Hanggang dyan, wala na naalala. Okay. Okay, you go back to figure 1. This is figure 1. Facing diagonal, which is the figure 1, the figure of 8 walking. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 point step. Okay? Remember this? Naalala niyo po? You are facing diagonal. Cross step starting with the left foot. And 1, 2, 3, 4 point right. 1, 2, 3 point left. Cross in front, always in front. Point. 1, 2, 3, 4 point. Stop. Okay. Nasa figure 7. Right fan overlapping. Fan facing you. Not there. You. Oh. Tapos hip level. Walking step. Sabi. Ilang ikot po ang ginawa ninyo?
8.
Oh, I'm asking how many turns in place?
32 counts.
But how many turns can you make out of 32?
Dalawa, 2. 2, 2. Iikot, iikot.
Okay, oh, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pag 2, 4 tayo, that's only 8. Pag dahil kayo ay nag-4 for ilan po? 16 measure. Okay, mag-reverse po. Okay, and 1, ang boy, okay, following the girl. Tapos, yan yun na yung front, face to face. Naalala niyo po? Okay, let's try. Ready? Go. Walking step. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And lalagyan ka ba? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Are you facing face to face with your partner? Ito na po. And face with your partner. Ito na po. And from here and 1 and flip. Cross turn. Okay? Again po, okay, sige po. Dalahin nga po lang. Okay. 1, right foot. Cross turn right. Shake po ito. Shiver or shake the fan. Okay? And step left. Reverse the position of the palm. Down. Cross turn left. Again. And right foot. Flip inward. Down. Shake the lower fan. And 1 and up and shake the fan. Can we try po? Ready? Again. Cleaner version. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2,
ang pagtiado